Hello? Hello? Hello everyone. So it seems like the audio is a bit wrong. Give me 1 second, please. Is the audio alright right now? Is the audio alright right now? I think, yeah, it sounds good. Is the audio alright right now? I think, yeah, it sounds good. Is the audio alright right now? I think, yeah, it sounds good. Hello, hello. Yeah. So, quick disclaimer before we start. Nothing you see here is a financial advice. Like always, I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in real time. So you are responsible for your own decisions. So let's see what's going on today in the markets. And yeah, for some reason I can't see your chat. Please write something in the chat box. For example, where you are, guys, where you are watching from. And yeah, if there is any problem with the live stream or something, just yeah, write it in the chat. Hi Emir, how are you? What's going on in München? And yeah, let's see. For the AUD we finally touched TP2, and yeah, the stop loss is already at the break even, and yeah, nothing special here. So for the AUD NZD, we've gone yesterday in a bit of drawdown, and yeah, we started going back to our entry. So I'm doing great. Thank you, Emir. Make sure to like the live stream and to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, tell me where you guys are watching from. So we entered this trade yesterday on AUD/USD on the live stream, and yeah, it's respecting, yeah, clearly this downtrend here, this trend line, and yeah, we just have to wait and see if the price will continue as my prediction going down. So for the CAD CHF, we are still in a bit of drawdown. For the CAD GPY, yeah, slowly moving into the take profit level. And yeah, I'm still waiting for the Euro AUD to touch this key level here, and I will be interested in going into a buy position here. For the Euro CHF, price is not in big drawdown anymore. It's going back to our entry, so no problem with that. That's why I'm always using the 70 pips stop loss strategy to let the price breathe a bit. And yeah, I'm targeting always the 200 pips for the new viewers here. So but the first take profit will be at 30 pips. Then after the first take profit, we always move the stop loss into the break even. So for the Euro GPY, I shared this trade on the free channel also. Yeah, we have still this trade open from Tuesday. We didn't touch the entry yet, so this position is still in profit. And yeah, I added another position because I saw some indication that the price will go up. So like you see on the Euro GPY, price always respect these fixed moving averages. And yeah, and I thought since we already have a profitable position and the stop loss is already at the break even, I will go into another trade with this pair. So if you see, like, I'm always trading this strategy and sharing that with my premium members and also with the free channel. Sometimes I usually share one free trade per day to test my ideas and my trades before deciding to join my premium channel. So if you simply buy in this point right here, you will be really profitable. That's why I entered the second position here, but only after we secured our profits with this first position. For this one, nothing interested yet. I was thinking yesterday about entering a buy position in this zone here, but the price broke this upper trend line, and I didn't buy here. So for the Euro USD, we entered this trade yesterday, I think, in the live stream also, and yeah, the price touched the first take profit, and I moved the stop loss into the break even, so the trade now is risk free. Let me see a question from Emir. Yeah, the trades are already 1 to 2.8 risk reward ratio. The 70 pip stop loss is only for letting price breathe a bit, because if you put a smaller, for example, if you put a smaller stop loss like like here, yeah, price could easily touch the stop loss and shoot down, and because of simply price manipulation or liquidity grabs or other things. That's why I'm always using a fixed stop loss, the 70 pips. It's not a big stop loss like 150 pips or 120 pips like the most of other groups are using. So 70 pips is still leave the price to breathe a bit, and the risk reward is actually positive, because if you want you can open just one position targeting the 200 pips, and when you touch the TP1 at 30 pips you just move the stop loss into the break even. That's how we secure the trades. Yeah, I hope this answered your question. And yeah, let's continue. So for the Euro USD, the price touched the first take profit, and the stop loss is already here at the break even. And yeah, we are looking for the second take profit to touch it, or if price simply goes up, we will be out with no risk. So for the GBPUSD, we entered this trade the day before yesterday, I believe, or yeah, we entered this trade on Tuesday also. Today is Friday, and yeah, we entered here. Price touched the TP1 here, TP2 here, and yeah, I did I did an alert here yesterday. And for people who were in the stream, I said if I see a big candle, big fat green candle here, I will close the price manually. But yeah, it was only a wick here, that's why I didn't close this trade. But I believe since today is Friday, I will manually close this trade right now. So we are too close from the take profit 3, so I think 168 pips. So I will close it right now. Just give me a second, and I will update the premium channel that they need to close it. Just give me a second. So this is the GBPUSD, and we will close TP3 at 168 pips profit. So we are out of this trade. We made some profits. I think we made 30 plus 100, that's 130, and plus 168, that's 168 plus 130, we made 298 pips. So for the JPY/NZD, we are still ranging here. We didn't touch the TP1 or the stop loss, and yeah, I trust this key level here, and I believe the price will respect this key level here, and hopefully it shoots up. So yeah, if it don't shoot up, we'll simply touch our stop loss and count it like always for 100% transparent. So I entered this trade this morning and sent it to the premium channel. Yeah, we entered the trade on the GBPJPY for a buy, and yeah, price still doesn't move. This Friday is a bit slow. We usually make a lot of profits in Friday. I don't know how much I made today. Let me check. So far we made 4,760, and yeah, we are profitable today. And let's see, I will be also be counting this week profits on the free channel, on the premium channel. I will show you guys everything, and I will show you also the testimonials of the member. We are still in the drawdown for the NZD/USD. The USD pairs today are I don't know what's happening with USD. There is no clear, there is no clear USD news here. I don't know why the USD pairs are going down, especially the USD CAD. And yeah, I will keep an eye on the USD pairs to see if we touch the stop loss right here. And yeah, we entered this trade here, the USD CHF. I forgot to put the position. Let me check. Yeah, we entered at 0.8058. We entered here. Let me redo that. 58, and the first take profit is 30 pips, and the stop loss is 70 pips. So we are in slight profits. And yeah, for this one we entered yesterday. I don't know why the positions on my trading view has gone. Let me refresh trading view because sometimes it lags. We will reload that. And yeah, if you can see, all positions are gone from even the USD CHF that I did right now. It usually come back, but yeah, sometimes there is some glitch on the trading view platform and it simply erases everything. You can see here, no trend line, nothing. It will come back, but I don't know why it's happening. So let me check how, this is for the premiums members. I send it right now to close the TP3. Let's see how much we made this week. I think we started on the 24th, on the premium channel. So let's count together. So the buy AUD is 30 pips plus, let's see, the gold 30 pips, this one, the USDJPY 30 pips, the gold also 30 pips, gold 30 pips, CFDs 30 pips, USDJPY 30 pips, EURUJPY 30 pips, EURUSD 100 pips, EURUAUD 230, this one, and this one, minus 210 pips, that's 70 pips times 3, because we have always 3 take profits and we always go in the trade 3 times. That means you open a position for TP1 and you open a position for TP2 and you open a position for TP3. So if you were going to use, for example, 0.3 lots on this whole trades, you will be using 0.1 for TP1, 0.1 for TP2, and 0.1 for TP3. So this is minus this stop loss here. We are at 560 pips, minus another stop loss, minus 210, plus 30, plus 30 plus 100, this one and this one, plus 200, and here 130, 160, and 190, and plus this 100 here, plus 30 here, minus 210 for the Euro NZD, plus 30 for the USD CHF, minus 210 for the Euro AUD, and minus 210 for gold, and plus today's profit 100 pips plus 30 plus 168. So it means this week we are up 728 pips. So if you use 0.1 lot size, you will be hypothetically making 728 pips, and if you use 0.01, you will be making $72.8 with the minimum lot size. So let's get back into the charts and see if we can spot something, or if the positions came back. Let me close this and reopen it, because sometimes TradingView does that. I don't know why. So all positions here are gone. So we need to wait for the TradingView to get my positions back. I don't know why from week to week it does that. USD is still down. I don't remember where we got in the USD CAD. Let me check. USD CAD, so 140.42. The entry was here, and the stop loss will be let me check, 140.42, and the stop loss, we are, I think, close to the stop loss right now, but no problem. If the trade hit the stop loss, I will be, of course, updating that in the weekly report that I will share today's at night. So this is the Telegram channel. This is where people send me their profits. You see people from Sweden, from all over the world. They keep sending me how there is thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of screenshots here, it's never ending, and I'm so happy that people can do that. So let me know if you have any questions about the stream or about any market that you want me to look into. And so we don't need this for this week anymore. This is Friday, and I think, let me check. We made so far this week 728 pips. And if you are risking, for example, using the 0.01 lot size, you will have made $72. The positions here are still gone. Let me check the gold. Gold today is not that great. Started to move. I checked gold in the morning, but because yesterday was a holiday, a bank holiday on the US, and the stream today will not be long. I will stop the stream at 1 hour because I have some things to do. So if you have any questions about the premium channel, the free channel, anything, just let me know. I can't seem to see my active positions here. Because for everyone new, the green are the pairs where I'm in a buy position in them. The red are trades that I'm in a sell position on them, and the yellow are I'm interested in trading them in the future. So if you can see, even all my support and resistance now are gone. The key levels are gone. Everything is gone. I don't know. Let me open a new tab and see if I can see my past position. No, And welcome to the new viewers. Make sure to ask any questions and make sure also to subscribe and like the live stream, everyone. And tell me, please, if you can hear me clearly and see me also. So yeah, this is the channel from the premium messages. Everyone here send them their screenshots, and yeah, if you want I can share it in the free Telegram. Please send me a message at Daxton admin. Yeah, TradingView is still acting weird. I can't see all my past lines, drawings and everything. If you know please how to correct that, please let me know in the chat, because yeah, it does this weird thing from time to time and I simply have to wait to see my positions and my key levels again. So let's look at the daily time frame. There is some people who love that. So USDJPY, we are already in a buy position. We entered, I believe, here and we made profits, and we still have the last position open for TP3. It's unfortunate that TradingView is doing this weird thing of not showing my active positions. And yeah, if you have any questions or any markets you want me to look into, just let me know. Gold is moving good, not like in the morning it was ranging, and it's going in an uptrend, but there is some, I think he will find some slowing down zone here. So I would like to trade gold, but only after it goes back from this zone here, goes back to this zone here, and then I will look into a buy position here to target these highs. So let me check the Nasdaq also. Nasdaq still have 15 minutes before the US markets open, and there was a gap here 1 hour ago, and yeah, Nasdaq kept ranging yesterday the whole day because there was a bank holiday. So let me check the gold. I would like it to have some resistance here, then going back to this zone here, all this zone, then I would look into buying gold. Let me please erase this nonsense. It's not nonsense, but yeah, let me just put a price alert here on gold and see if here also, and see if gold touches this zone here. I will be interested in going into a buy position. And for the people who asks why I don't sell gold here, because I never go, I don't go against the trend. So I would like for gold to give me a retest here, then go into a buy position in the zone to target this zone here. So for people who are viewing this live stream, please let me know where you guys are watching from. I know Emir is from Germany. What are other countries that we have here? Do we have other people from Germany too? Yeah, I will yeah, say it in German. Haben wir oder Leute aus anderen Ländern oder Deutschland? So, let me save this chart. Yeah, I told you TradingView is acting weirdly today. So even if I save this, it doesn't get saved right now. Got saved. I will try to to refresh this. Yeah, I hope we see the other positions that we have on other instrument. Yeah, they are gone, and I think it takes a bit of time for the positions to get back. I'm also in these trades here, but yeah, I need to check my MT4 to see which trades we are on profits to. So for the EUD CAD we are in profits. For the AUD NZD we are in slight drawdown. EURUSD a bit of drawdown too. CAD CHF a bit of drawdown. CFDJPY we are deeply in profits. For the Euro CHF we are a bit of drawdown. For the EURUJPY that I shared in the free channel in the morning, we are in slight profits. For the EURUSD we are still in slight profits. For the GBPJPY we are closing to the we are close to the entry. We are close to the TP1, sorry. And for the GBP NZD we are in a bit of drawdown. NZDUSD a bit of drawdown, and the USD CAD a bit of drawdown. USD CHF we are in profits, and for the USDJPY we are in a bit of drawdown. So overall we are profitable this week, and with 728 pips already closed. And yeah, this is how we do every week. And when there is a bad week or losing week, I simply report that. Yeah, we are 30 minutes into the live stream. So this breakout here is great too. There is a small breakout here, and yeah, like I said, I would never enter here in a breakout, for example like this, because price can simply go back here in this zone, then shoot up. I always enter a trade in a retest to have a better price and to have a highest chance of winning. Yeah, there is nothing to see here. All my positions are gone, and gold is moving very, very nice. Yeah, was going to enter here, but there was some big swap here, that's why I didn't go. So let's say we target 200 pips and 60 pips stop loss. I think we will have touched TP1 TP2 already, at TP3 already. TP3, that's why I love trading gold, but it was too choppy in the morning. That's why I didn't trade gold in the morning. I only trade gold only when I see great opportunities on it. So hopefully gold will give us closing position for this week. If not, no problems. We're already up 728 pips this week. And yeah, I will be closing this live stream in 30 minutes ish. Yeah, like that. DGPY is coming back. Let me check. All my positions are gone on trading view, all my drawings, everything, but it happens from time to time. I think for the USD CAD, my stop loss it's at 139.72. We are at 139.86. We are still have some room to go back, but based on this four big red candles, there is a small opportunity to go back, but we hope that we'll be back in the trade. If not, it touches stop loss, no problems, and we go into the next trade. Because trading, you will never win all the trades, never. And anyone who promises 90% 90% winning rate is doing something shady. We have some support here. That price didn't go back since the 18th of November, and I hope this level here will act as a support and price goes back up like this. If not, we touch the stop loss I reported end of the trade. That's why always use the minimum lot size, and don't risk more than 2% of your account. Gold is going back a bit, you see, and I hope for gold to give us an entry in this zone here. Let me check. There was a good buying position here on gold, but we didn't enter, and no problem, because you will not enter every opportunity, and there is daily opportunities on hundred of instruments. You don't need to catch every winning trade. That's impossible. Let me check. I can't see the live chats on my YouTube account. I don't know why, and I will need to open the live stream on another tab and see if I can see some chat. No, there is no chats. Okay. Hopefully gold comes back to here, then we'll shoot up like that, because gold is recently uptrending from Friday. Completed this this retraction here, started uptrending. Price always move like that. price always doing this, and the best entry always is at the retest. So if you can see, price always retest previous key levels, then keeps going up. Need to delete this. And yeah, let me check what's going on right now. And since all my positions are gone from the trading view, we need to wait for this glitch to get sorted out. Let me check if I can. Yeah, positions are back. Great. So we entered this trade yesterday. We are still in drawdown for USD CAD, drawdown for NZUSD, a bit of drawdown in GBPNZD. We touched the TP1 for the GBPJPY. Yeah, let me update that quickly in the group. So the GPY, everyone please move the stop loss to entry. GBPJPY, we will be heading to target the TP2, and for the EURUSD we touched the first take profit too. Let me update that quickly in the group, and I've also shared this trade in the free group. Yeah, let me update that quickly. So the EURUSDJPY, let me update that in the free group. And so EURUSDJPY TP1 head. And yeah, I shared this trade in the morning, and we still have another trade open on the EURUSDJPY. I hope you made some profits in this trade. And let me check my other positions. So we are in a buy position on ADCAD, buy position also on the USDNZD. We are in a slight drawdown for this one too, for this one too. For the GBP, for the CAD we touch the TP1, TP2. Great. And let me update that quickly on the premium group. And I don't know, I think we were at 4,000 before this TP hits. I will update that in the free group, in the premium group, and show you what is the day is looking on my MT4. So we touched the TP2 for the CAD/GPY with TP1 for the EURUSD/GPY. We still have another position open for the EURUSD. Yeah, we touched the TP1. We moved the stop loss into the break even to target the next TP. For the GBPJPY, we touched the TP1. For this one, we are still in a bit of drawdown. For this one too, this one too. This one we are in slight profits, and this one we are in slight profits too. So the last time I showed you my MT4, we were at 4,000. We are now at 7,287. And of course, this is my real account. So for the newcomers, hi Colo, how are you? Yeah, for the newcomers, please let me know where you guys are from, and please make sure to like the live stream and to comment down below anything or any question that you have. So let me check the gold. So it's still going up. I didn't want to enter gold until I see some retest, because I don't like to enter at impulses. For example, this one, I need to see a retest, and this is not enough for me to enter. So for the new people who joined, I will like to see gold come back to, for example, this level or this level here, to go in a buy position. But since it's Friday, and I don't believe I will do that. BTC is starting to go back to $92,000. I think we will keep going down on BTC. He's simply in a correction phase right here. I think it will go like this and continue going down at least to $80,000. So for the Nasdaq, there is nothing interesting in the Nasdaq, because yesterday the market was closed. Nasdaq is moving up. I don't have any entry that I can see here. So like I told you, my strategy is always buy or sell on a retest, because at a retest you always get in the best price possible. So CAD is becoming stronger and stronger, the Canadian dollar today. So yeah, our CAD pairs are going up. Yeah, we missed this entry the other day on the live stream because price didn't fully get back to this level here. I had an alert here, but price, 90 and 82, miss it from 8 pips with 8 pips. So everyone move the stop loss. I moved the stop loss to the entry after the TP1 hit to make this trade risk free. And quick disclaimer, like always, don't copy trade me, and you are responsible for your own decisions. So we still have some slight drawdown in the account, but we are way up in the week. So I counted the weekly profits and the weekly pips count, and we were at $728 before adding these 3 positions. So let's add 160 pips. I think the last one was plus 168. That's from the GBPUSD trade, and let's add 160 pips. So we are at 888 pips this week. Great. I make sure always to count my stop loss time 3, because I always encourage people to open 3 positions, one for the TP1, the second one for the TP2, and the third one for the TP3. After TP1 is hit, just go into the other 2 positions and move the stop loss to the entry. So yeah, gold is going up, so the price is at 4,200, and this is a good level here, but I will never enter a buy position like this, never. I will always wait for a retest, especially for since price is too away from this key level here. I can think of going into gold if the price comes back here, do engulfing or a hammer candle, then I will think about longing gold, 70 pips stop loss and 200 pips take profit. This is way too easier for gold to do that. And yeah, I always advise that people who don't have more than $1,000 on their account do not trade gold, never, because gold is too volatile and it will make you crazy. So let me know if you have any questions or any charts you want me to look into. Yeah, gold needs to get back to 4,193 or 92 to go in like this, or 92, something like this, because we already broke resistance level here, and price will definitely go back to it. We just need to wait. I don't rush entering into a trade unless it gives me a clear retest. So this week we are at 80 pips, 888 pips. That's great. We had some weeks with 2,500 pips. We had some weeks in minus 400, minus 500, minus 600 pips. I don't tell you guys that we will be profitable every week. That's impossible in trading unless you have that's not possible. Even the strongest bots can do weekly losses. Let's wait and see if gold can give us a good entry here, and if not, and since it's Friday afternoon, I will end the stream soon. Let me check my other trades. DCAD is going back. This is going back also from the drawdown that we had. This one, I still believe in this trade. This one too, I think. The worst thing that can happen is price to get to this level and come back, or the second worst thing that can happen is price to touch the stop loss. But I don't get any feeling with touching the stop loss, and with trading you need to be emotionless. You need to be like a robot, because with emotions, if you win and you are extremely happy, you will make mistakes after that. And if you lose and you become extremely angry, you will start revenge trading, and this will blow your account, yeah, fast. Let me delete that. So let me check the Euro AUD. I'm waiting for the price to come to this key level, then long it. For the Euro CHF, yeah, we are simply waiting. That's the beauty of Forex pairs. They are not so volatile like gold and indices. Yeah, gold is coming back from the 4200. And yeah, we are in profits here. We are in profits here. With the GBPUSD, we are in drawdown. For the NZD/USD, we are in slight drawdown. For the USD CAD, we are still in slight drawdown. I hope that the price will reject this zone and go up. USD CHF, we are in slight profits, and for the USDJPY, we are in a slight profits. Yeah, we missed the TP1 by 2 pips. No problem. So gold is coming back to 4200. Still no pattern here to go long. I would like it to come back here, then go long, or even better, come back here, then go long. So let me wait for gold. Yeah, if it doesn't get back in the next 15 minutes, I will simply call it a week. Be happy with 888 pips that we made, and and we will meet next week for the next streams. I enjoy that, to be honest. I enjoy live streaming to you guys and showing you that everything is possible, because 6 years ago I was in Germany studying. I hated the idea of becoming a 9-to-5er and working for someone else. That's why I started learning trading. I was unprofitable for 2 years, I believe, or 2.5 years. My family was supporting me. I was working too next to my studies. I didn't tell my family that I was working, so I simply took this money from my work and started funding accounts and trying to do flips and everything. I lost a lot of money, and the second that I started to handle my emotions in trading, everything changed. So, and there is no one holy grail in trading. There's many profitable strategies, and the trick is for you to be willing to sacrifice the time and the money to learn trading and to execute your strategy like a robot. So gold is coming back. That's a really good sign. I would think about entering a trade for fun. I will not share it on my premium channel and with my group. I will take a trade at this level, but only if I have a confirmation candle. Let's hope for the best. And since is rejecting this EMA, there is a good sign. I would like to gold to come to this level and give me a confirmation candle, then I will go long. So let me check where I can go in. I think at 41.93 or something like that. Yeah, I will keep a look into the price level here and go check the other positions, and if we need to close something before the weekend. So I will not close this trade. No, I believe it can go higher. So for the USDJPY, I will not close this trade, of course, because it's in drawdown. And based on my previous analysis, I think USDJPY will keep going up. This one too will not be closing it. This one too. This one too. I still have faith that CAD-GPY will continue going up. For the Euro CHF, of course, I will not close that. For the Euro GPY, I will not close that. The Euro USD, no. GBPJPY is moving nicely. GBPUSD will not close that. There is some kind of support here, and I believe price will continue going up. For the NZD-USD, will not close that, of course, and for this one, I will not close that. The trick is always to be calm when trading, even if you see some drawdown like this and you can hit the stop loss. But since I'm 100% confident in my strategy, I don't mind hitting stop losses. In fact, that's a part of trading. Yeah, I hope gold will continue going down, then to take a trade. If not, no problem. We will call it a week, and yeah, and be live streaming next week, Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And for the weekend, I will not be streaming because markets are closed. So Nasdaq did nothing at the market open. There is some key levels here. We have this one too. So price broke above this key level here, did go back, then broke it again, then go back to this level here. Then we had a really great engulfing candle here, so there was an opportunity to enter. With Nasdaq, I always put 50 pips for the stop loss and the 50 pips for the first take profit, 100 pips for the second take profit, and 200 pips for the third take profit. So a great position will look like that. Hopefully it didn't touch the entry, because after the TP1 hit, TP1 is still at this level. That's why if Nasdaq comes to this level, I will be interested in buying it. But since today it is Friday, I will not do that. So let's check gold again. Gold didn't give me the retest I hoped for. That's why, since we already made 888 pips this week, I will call it a day. I will end the live stream, and it was really great chatting with you, everyone. And yeah, let's meet on Monday for another stream. So have a great